So let's look at the damage part. But right now, when we shoot, there comes one arrow straight out, then it's another arrow, and then we have the animation and four arrows in that time frame. It kind of bogs my eyes, and it could be okay for like shooting games where you don't have an animation maybe, but in this case we do have an animation, and I would like to like have the arrow follow the animation. And probably something I will change again later. So right now inside our project, we have it so uh, we have this ranged attack, so it's looking at when we can do the attack, and right now the attack time is on our bow, it's around 1.4, and if you put it to 5, it might look a little bit better. Um, but always the first one will come out, sorry, the bow, one come out, then we wait, and then it comes. So it still kind of looks weird, but not as bad. So we're gonna change a few things. I'm gonna put it up so when we do it on the animation. So first we're going to the link below the video and downloading the package with the two animation. You will get one animation called standing aim idle, and you get a aim recoil, sorry. And then you go the recoil, you need to uh, sorry, I'll move this. You need to duplicate it like that. And this one you had to put on loop time like that. So you go into the bow and you take this standing aim idle and put into the fighter idle, and you take the recoil and put in here. And then you're actually ready to follow the rest of the tutorial. But I suggest you go in and you see it out. So you can see we have like this animation now, and that would work a lot better with attack speed. So while you're here, you can actually go into the player, model, Maria, and find here the standing coil, and you can add in a mark here, which you will be need later in this video. So that was all for this. You can just follow the rest of the tutorial now. So I will add in a little hit, and then we will make an function for that, and then we can go out, and it automatically saved that. So what I want to do is like I want to take this onto the animation instead. So I go to the animation pass, I make a new type of hit, public void ranged hit, and I paste that in. And you see you get these red lines, so we have to make a new public equipment, and call it the same, like that. So this name fits with this name. And then we can click compile, and then we go to prefabs, to the player. Um, then we can go into, yeah, open the prefab and go into Maria, and then we need to add the player equipment chains here. So just player like that. And what you will see now is that when we are shooting, the arrow only comes at this point. Oh, it doesn't. We forgot to put it in the side animation. So in here at the player, we open model Maria, go to the animation, go to the shooting, equip the bow, go to the shooting, click here, add ranged hit, and let's see if we can do it now. so no arrows, and then there comes one arrow, which gets destroyed, another arrow. But the problem is now that the animation time and the attack speed doesn't work. So if we would like to, I think we will see it clearly if we put in the damage. So take the damage from the hit to put in here. And you can see here that this damage does not fit with the attack speed. So if I change the attack speed to 1,